Minister N. Biren has attended the Ayushman Bharat Divas in the auditorium of Jenims this morning. Ayushman Bharat is the pilot project of Ayushman Bharat National Health Protection Mission. It was launched on September 25th last year on the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam has launched eThabag in Manipur Press Club today. eThabag is Manipur's largest online job searching Android app. K. Sunita Devi has been selected for Rajkumar Buddhimanta Singha Memorial Award 2019. Sunita is the daughter of well-known Nritya Guru Thiam Tarun Kumar Singha. The award will be presented to her by Chief Minister of Tripura Biplab Kumar Dev during the Platinum Jubilee celebration of Manipuri dance celebration. Lions Club of Thoubal provided edible items to the Haikak Popi Blind School under the theme Relieving Hunger as a part of their permanent project. Troops of Indian Army participated in Siliguri Marathon Run organized by a social organization for Nasha Mukti. The first three prizes in the Armed Forces category were won by Hab Sankar Man Thapa, N.K. Inder Pal Magar and L. Arvind. Indian Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh called on Bangladesh Chief of Army Staff General Aziz Ahmed at Army Headquarters in Dhaka Cantonment. During the meeting, they discussed issues of bilateral interest. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached New York last night to participate in the 74th session of the UN General Assembly after delivering an electrifying address in Houston to over 50,000 members of the Indian diaspora at a mega community event, also addressed by President Donald Trump. In a fierce defense of the government's action in Jammu and Kashmir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said those criticizing the decision to revoke Article 370 of the Constitution were promoting terrorism.